Here they are. Check it out, the million angles of breastfeeding, and here is a warm roti that I was trying to give her. I don't know why, what happened. It's too hot for you? Too hot for you, sweetheart? Too hot? Too hot for you? Too hot for you? Too hot? Too hot? Too hot for you? I think the chapati is still very hot, right? Ah! So there she is. There she is. I hope you heard, how she chased her two babies. Can you see them? One has now, and now she's finally eating the chapati. And the babies are lazing in sun. Check the sun. Can you see him? Oh my goodness. Check it out. Check it out. Both have gone to sleep. After being, you know, uh, given a nice little scolding, right? That was so cute. Ah, 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 ah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Good girl. Good girl. हाँ, आ गई अंदर। दोनों बच्चों को इसमें कस के भी डपटा है। दोनों जाके बगल में बैठा है, तब ये खा रहे। The reason I'm not giving it in one go is because it's really hot, and thank you, Mummy, for making the chapatis. I am sure that such chapatis I can also make. I find it. Check the butterfly. Check the butterfly, guys. I love these butterflies. Wild creatures. तितली एक उड़ता हुआ प्रेम पत्र है हेमंत देव लेकर। ये एक अच्छी सी पंक्ति है जिससे मैं पूरी सहमत नहीं हूँ। तितली उड़ता हुआ प्रेम पत्र कैसे है? तितली तो तितली है ना? तितली इज़ तितली। And she's amazing, right? I mean, we need to have more butterflies in life. We need to have, of course, more love. And humanity, and that basic thing called empathy. There are other colored butterflies that I want to check out. This is amazing home video, and I do want to thank God for this moment. May my doorstep be full of butterflies, and my capacity to feed them, and this is with an appeal to feed and take care of nature, because I myself am a very impoverished writer, so please don't think that I am in any way opening a charity ball here, but it's आधी रोटी पूरा चाँद, है ना? पूरी रोटी आधा चाँद। क्या था? क्या पंक्ति है यहाँ शहर के डीएसपी साहब की? याद नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन तितलियाँ जो हैं Kamal. I hope you can see them, and I hope you can see this. I hope that she'll come and grab it and then go check out. There are two butterflies. Yes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Come here. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. My goodness, somebody's got moods and tempers and so many other things. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It has been broken into two pieces. She's full. Is she full? No, she's not full. How can she be full? And there you go. I'm going to keep the other half as well. I'm going to keep the other half as well. Check it out, baby. Check it out, baby. Check them out. Fast asleep. Fast asleep. Fast asleep. Right? Fast asleep. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Huh? Fast asleep. Fast asleep.